Do you want to successfully complete the D319 Objective Assessment exam? Then you are in the right place. Our website provides a list of questions and answers for your success in the D319 OA exam for free. We understand that acing your OA exam can be quite challenging. That's why we provide completely free exam guides and practice questions for you. In this video, we will cover questions from compute services, storage solutions, database services, networking and security, and management and automation. So let's get started. 1. What's the benefit of using Amazon S3 Glacier Deep Archive? A. Low-cost storage for data archiving. B. Real-time data analytics. C. Low-latency object storage. D. In-memory caching for applications. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer: A. Low-cost storage for data archiving. Explanation: Option A is correct because Amazon S3 Glacier Deep Archive is specifically designed as the lowest cost storage option in AWS for long-term data retention and digital preservation. Data retrieval takes several hours, making it suitable for archives that are rarely accessed. Option B is incorrect because real-time data analytics is typically handled by services like Amazon Kinesis for data streaming and Amazon EMR or Redshift for processing and analysis, not a cold storage service. Option C is incorrect because low-latency object storage is a feature of the Amazon S3 standard storage class, which is designed for frequently accessed data. S3 Glacier Deep Archive has high latency. Option D is incorrect because in-memory caching is provided by services like Amazon Elasticache, which keeps data in memory for sub-millisecond access times to speed up applications. 2. What is the main advantage of using AWS Lambda? A. Serverless compute without provisioning servers. B. Object storage at scale. C. Data replication between regions. D. Automatic failover. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer: A. Serverless compute without provisioning servers. Explanation: Option A is correct because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that lets you run code without thinking about servers. It automatically manages the underlying compute resources, and you only pay for the compute time you consume. Option B is incorrect because object storage at scale is the primary function of Amazon S3. Option C is incorrect because data replication between regions is a feature of various services like Amazon S3 and Amazon RDS, but it is not the main purpose of AWS Lambda. Option D is incorrect because automatic failover is a high availability feature found in services like Amazon RDS multi-AZ deployments or elastic load balancing, which manage stateful resources or traffic distribution. 3. Which AWS service offers a relational database with high availability? A. Amazon RDS. B. AWS Lambda. C. Amazon S3. D. Amazon SNS. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer: A. Amazon RDS. Explanation: Option A is correct because Amazon Relational Database Service, or RDS, is a managed service that makes it easy to set up, operate and scale a relational database in the cloud. It offers high availability through its multi-AZ deployment option. Option B is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service for running code, not a database service. Option C is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service used for storing files and other unstructured data. Option D is incorrect because Amazon Simple Notification Service, or SNS, is a managed messaging service for sending notifications. 4. Which AWS service should you use to automatically distribute incoming application traffic across multiple targets? A. Elastic Load Balancing. B. Amazon S3. C. AWS CloudTrail. D. Amazon RDS. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, A. Elastic Load Balancing. Explanation. Option A is correct because Elastic Load Balancing, or ELB, is designed to automatically distribute incoming application traffic across multiple targets, such as Amazon EC2 instances, containers, and IP addresses, to ensure high availability and scalability. Option B is incorrect because Amazon S3 is a service for storing objects, not for distributing application traffic. Option C is incorrect because AWS CloudTrail is a service that provides event history of your AWS account activity used for auditing and compliance. Option D is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service. 5. What is the function of AWS CloudTrail? A. Logs AWS account activity for governance and compliance. B. Provides in-memory caching. C. Manages DNS services. D. Runs serverless functions. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, A. Logs AWS account activity for governance and compliance. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS CloudTrail is a service that enables governance, compliance, operational auditing, and risk auditing of your AWS account. It logs actions taken by a user, role, or an AWS service. Option B is incorrect because in-memory caching is the primary function of Amazon Elasticache. Option C is incorrect because DNS services are managed by Amazon Route 53. Option D is incorrect because running serverless functions is the primary role of AWS Lambda. 6. Which AWS service helps to automate patch management and compliance checks? A. Our Systems Manager. B. Amazon RDS. C. Amazon DynamoDB. D. AWS Lambda. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, A. Our Systems Manager. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS Systems Manager provides a unified user interface to view operational data from multiple AWS services and allows you to automate operational tasks like patch management, software inventory collection, and compliance checks across your AWS resources. Option B is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a managed service for relational databases. Option C is incorrect because Amazon DynamoDB is a NoSQL database service. Option D is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service. 7. What is the benefit of Amazon S3 transfer acceleration? A. Faster data transfer into and out of Amazon. S3. B. In-memory data caching. C. Improved database replication. D. Serverless function orchestration. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, A. Faster data transfer into and out of Amazon. S3. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon S3 transfer acceleration utilizes the globally distributed edge locations in Amazon CloudFront. As data arrives at an edge location, it is routed to Amazon S3 over an optimized network path, resulting in faster and more secure transfers over long distances. Option B is incorrect because in-memory data caching is the function of Amazon Elasticache. Option C is incorrect because database replication is a feature within database services like Amazon, RDS, or Aurora. Option D is incorrect because serverless function orchestration is the primary purpose of AWS step functions. 8. Which service provides real-time log analysis and monitoring in AWS? A. Amazon CloudWatch Logs. B. Amazon S3. C. AWS Lambda. D. Amazon RDS. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, A. Amazon CloudWatch Logs. Explanation: Option A is correct because Amazon CloudWatch Logs is a component of the CloudWatch service specifically designed to let you monitor, store, and access your log files from Amazon EC2 instances, AWS CloudTrail, Route 53, and other sources for real-time analysis. Option B is incorrect because while Amazon S3 can be used to store log files, it does not provide native real-time analysis tools. Option C is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a compute service that can be triggered by log events, but is not the monitoring service itself. Option D is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service. 9. What type of database is Amazon DynamoDB? A. NoSQL database. B. Relational database. C. Data warehouse. D. In-memory database. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, A. NoSQL database. Explanation: Option A is correct because Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed key value and document NoSQL database that delivers single-digit millisecond performance at any scale. Option B is incorrect because relational databases are provided by Amazon RDS and Amazon Aurora. Option C is incorrect because a data warehouse solution is provided by Amazon Redshift. Option D is incorrect because while DynamoDB has an in-memory accelerator option called DAX, its core service is a NoSQL database. The primary in-memory database service is Amazon Elasticacher. 10. Which AWS service provides a distributed DNS and domain management solution? A. Amazon Route 53. B. Amazon RDS. C. Amazon S3. D. AWS Lambda. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, A. Amazon Route 53. Explanation: Option A is correct because Amazon Route 53 is a highly available and scalable cloud domain name system, or DNS web service. It is designed to give developers and businesses a reliable way to route end users to internet applications. It also provides domain name registration. Option B is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service. Option C is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service. Option D is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service. 11. What is the primary function of AWS CloudFormation? A. Automates infrastructure provisioning using code templates. B. Manages identity and access controls. C. Provides in-memory caching. D. Logs API calls for compliance. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, A. Automates infrastructure provisioning using code templates. Explanation: Option A is correct because AWS CloudFormation provides an easy way to model a collection of related AWS and third-party resources, provision them quickly and consistently, and manage them throughout their life cycles. This is also known as infrastructure as code. Option B is incorrect because managing identity and access is the function of AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM. Option C is incorrect because in-memory caching is provided by Amazon Elasticacher. Option D is incorrect because logging API calls for compliance, and auditing is the function of AWS CloudTrail. 12. Which service allows users to securely store and manage encryption keys in AWS? A. AWS KMS. B. AWS CloudTrail. C. AWS Lambda. D. Amazon S3. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, A. AWS KMS. Explanation: option A is correct because AWS Key Management Service, or KMS, makes it easy for you to create and manage cryptographic keys and control their use across a wide range of AWS services and in your applications. Option B is incorrect because AWS CloudTrail is a service that logs API calls and account activity. It does not manage encryption keys. Option C is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service. Option D is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service. While it can use keys from KMS to encrypt data, it does not manage the keys itself. 13. What does Amazon EBS provide? A. Persistent block storage for Amazon EC2 instances. B. Object storage for web applications. C. Data analytics for large datasets. D. Serverless compute functions. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, A. Persistent block storage for Amazon EC2 instances. Explanation: option A is correct because Amazon Elastic Block Store, or EBS, provides persistent, high-performance block-level storage volumes that are attached to Amazon EC2 instances, similar to a hard drive on a physical server. Option B is incorrect because object storage is provided by Amazon S3. Option C is incorrect because data analytics services include Amazon EMR, Amazon Kinesis, and Amazon Redshift. Option D is incorrect because serverless compute functions are run using AWS Lambda. 14. Which AWS service provides real-time data streaming capabilities? A. Amazon Kinesis. B. Amazon S3. C. AWS Lambda. D. Amazon RDS. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, A. Amazon Kinesis. Explanation: option A is correct because Amazon Kinesis makes it easy to collect, process, and analyze real-time streaming data so you can get timely insights and react quickly to new information. Option B is incorrect because Amazon S3 is a batch-oriented object storage service, not a real-time streaming service. Option C is incorrect because AWS Lambda can process data from streams, but is not the streaming service itself. Option D is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a relational database service designed for transactional workloads, not data streaming. 15. What's the purpose of AWS Code Commit? A. Source control service for hosting Git repositories. B. Real-time log monitoring. C. Data archiving solution. D. Serverless database management. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, A. Source control service for hosting Git repositories. Explanation: option A is correct because AWS Code Commit is a fully managed source control service that hosts secure and private Git repositories. It eliminates the need to operate your own source control system or worry about scaling its infrastructure. Option B is incorrect because real-time log monitoring is a feature of Amazon CloudWatch logs. Option C is incorrect because data archiving is provided by services like Amazon S3 Glacier and S3 Glacier Deep Archive. Option D is incorrect because serverless database management refers to services like Amazon DynamoDB or Aurora Serverless. 16. What does Amazon Guard Duty help with? A. Threat detection and continuous security monitoring. B. Database backups. C. Content delivery. D. Serverless function deployment. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, A. Threat detection and continuous security monitoring. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon Guard Duty is a threat detection service that continuously monitors for malicious activity and unauthorized behavior to protect your AWS accounts, workloads, and data stored in Amazon S3. Option B is incorrect because database backups are managed through services like AWS Backup or as a feature within Amazon RDS. Option C is incorrect because content delivery is the function of Amazon CloudFront. Option D is incorrect because serverless function deployment is handled via the AWS Lambda console, AWS SAM, or other deployment tools. 17. Which AWS service enables easy and cost-effective web traffic filtering? A. AWS WAF. B. AWS CloudFormation. C. Amazon S3. D. AWS Lambda. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, A. AWS WAF. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS WAF is a web application firewall that helps protect your web applications or APIs against common web exploits that may affect availability, compromise security, or consume excessive resources. Option B is incorrect because AWS CloudFormation is used for infrastructure provisioning, not traffic filtering. Option C is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service. Option D is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service. 18. What does AWS Elastic Beanstalk simplify? A. Application deployment and environment management. B. Data warehousing. C. Content delivery. D. Object storage. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, A. Application deployment and environment management. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS Elastic Beanstalk is a platform as a service, or PaaS, offering that automates the details of capacity, provisioning, load balancing, scaling, and application health monitoring, making it simple to deploy and manage applications. Option B is incorrect because data warehousing is the function of Amazon Redshift. Option C is incorrect because content delivery is handled by the Amazon CloudFront service. Option D is incorrect because object storage is provided by Amazon S3. 19. What does Amazon ECS provide? A. Orchestration for Docker containers. B. Real-time data analytics. C. Serverless compute functions. D. Content delivery. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, A. Orchestration for Docker containers. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon Elastic Container Service, or ECS, is a highly scalable, high-performance container orchestration service that supports Docker containers and allows you to easily run and scale containerized applications on AWS. Option B is incorrect because real-time data analytics is handled by services like Amazon Kinesis. Option C is incorrect because serverless compute functions are run using AWS Lambda. Option D is incorrect because content delivery is the function of Amazon CloudFront. 20. Which AWS service is designed for fast object retrieval from cloud storage? A. Amazon S3. B. Amazon RDS. C. Amazon DynamoDB. D. AWS CloudTrail. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer A. Amazon S3. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon S3 is the primary object storage service in AWS. Its standard storage class is designed for frequently accessed data and provides low latency and high throughput performance for fast retrieval. Option B is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a relational database service, not an object storage service. Option C is incorrect because Amazon DynamoDB is a NoSQL database service used for key value and document data, not general object storage. Option D is incorrect because AWS CloudTrail is an auditing service that records API activity. It does not store or retrieve general-purpose objects. 21. What is the main function of AWS IAM? A. Control access to AWS resources. B. Deliver content globally. C. Automate application deployment. D. In-memory caching for web applications. Do you know the answer? Correct answer A. Control access to AWS resources. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM, is the service used to securely control access to AWS services and resources. You use IAM to create and manage users, groups, and roles, and use permissions to allow and deny their access to resources. Option B is incorrect because delivering content globally is the function of Amazon CloudFront. Option C is incorrect because automating application deployment is handled by services like AWS Code Deploy or AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Option D is incorrect because in-memory caching is provided by Amazon Elasticache. 22. What is the purpose of Amazon CloudFront? A. Deliver content with low latency using a global network of edge locations. B. Provide data analytics for cloud applications. C. Host virtual machines. D. Store unstructured data in the cloud. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer A. Deliver content with low latency using a global network of edge locations. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon CloudFront is a fast content delivery network, or CDN service that securely delivers data, videos, applications, and APIs to customers globally with low latency and high transfer speeds. Option B is incorrect because data analytics services include Amazon Kinesis, EMR, and Redshift. Option C is incorrect because hosting virtual machines is the primary function of Amazon EC2. Option D is incorrect because storing unstructured data is the primary function of Amazon S3. 23. Which AWS service allows automatic scaling based on demand? A. Auto-scaling. B. Amazon RDS. C. Amazon S3. D. Amazon CloudFront. Do you know the answer? Correct answer A. Auto-scaling. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS auto-scaling monitors your applications and automatically adjusts capacity to maintain steady, predictable performance at the lowest possible cost. It can scale various resources, including Amazon EC2 instances, container tasks, and DynamoDB tables. Option B is incorrect because while some components of Amazon RDS can scale, it is not the primary service for demand-based scaling of general application resources. Option C is incorrect because Amazon S3 scales automatically to handle storage demand, but auto-scaling refers to the service that manages compute and other resource capacity. Option D is incorrect because Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network, not a scaling service for back-end resources. 24. What is the main function of Amazon EC2 spot instances? A. Provide spare EC2 capacity at reduced cost. B. Store unstructured data. C. Deliver real-time logs. D. Analyze large data sets. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Provide spare EC2 capacity at reduced cost. Explanation. Option A is correct, because Amazon EC2 spot instances let you take advantage of unused EC2 capacity in the AWS cloud at a significant discount compared to on-demand pricing. They are suitable for fault-tolerant and flexible applications. Option B is incorrect because storing unstructured data is the function of Amazon S3. Option C is incorrect because delivering real-time logs is a function of Amazon CloudWatch logs or Amazon Kinesis. Option D is incorrect because analyzing large datasets is typically performed with services like Amazon, EMR, or Amazon Redshift. 25. What type of storage does Amazon EFS provide? A. Scalable file storage for EC2 instances. B. Object storage for large datasets. C. Block storage for virtual machines. D. In-memory data caching. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. Scalable file storage for EC2 instances. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon Elastic File System, or EFS, provides a simple, scalable, fully managed elastic file system for use with AWS cloud services and on-premises resources. It is designed to be shared by multiple EC2 instances concurrently. Option B is incorrect because object storage is provided by Amazon S3. Option C is incorrect because block storage for a single virtual machine is provided by Amazon EBS. Option D is incorrect because in-memory data caching is the function of Amazon ElastiCache. 26. Which service provides fully managed message queues for decoupling microservices? A. Amazon SQS. B. Amazon RDS. C. Amazon S3. D. Amazon EC2. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. Amazon SQS. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon Simple Queue Service, or SQS, is a fully managed message queuing service that enables you to decouple and scale microservices, distributed systems, and serverless applications. Option B is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a relational database service. Option C is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service. Option D is incorrect because Amazon EC2 provides virtual server compute capacity. 27. Which service is used for decoupling and distributing real-time messages to various destinations? A. Amazon SNS. B. Amazon CloudWatch. C. Amazon EC2. D. AWS Lambda. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Amazon SNS. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon Simple Notification Service, or SNS, is a highly available, durable, secure, fully managed pub-sub messaging service that enables you to decouple microservices and distributed systems and send notifications to a variety of endpoints. Option B is incorrect because Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service. Option C is incorrect because Amazon EC2 provides virtual server compute capacity. Option D is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a compute service that can subscribe to SNS topics, but is not the messaging service itself. 28. What is the function of AWS Direct Connect? A. Provides a dedicated network connection between on-premises data centers and AWS. B. Provides DNS management services. C. Manages application scaling. D. Runs virtual private servers. Do you know the answer? Correct answer: A. Provides a dedicated network connection between on-premises data centers and AWS. Explanation: Option A is correct because AWS Direct Connect is a cloud service solution that makes it easy to establish a dedicated private network connection from your premises to AWS. This can reduce network costs, increase bandwidth throughput, and provide a more consistent network experience than internet-based connections. Option B is incorrect because DNS management is provided by Amazon Route 53. Option C is incorrect because application scaling is managed by AWS Autoscaling. Option D is incorrect because running virtual private servers is the function of Amazon EC2. 29. What does elastic load balancing do? A. Automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets. B. Stores unstructured data. C. Provides in-memory caching. D. Delivers content globally. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer: A. Automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets. Explanation: Option A is correct because elastic load balancing, or ILB, distributes traffic to a group of resources such as EC2 instances. This increases the fault tolerance and availability of your application by routing traffic only to healthy targets. Option B is incorrect because storing unstructured data is the function of Amazon S3. Option C is incorrect because in-memory caching is provided by Amazon Elasticache. Option D is incorrect because delivering content globally with low latency is the function of the Amazon CloudFront CDN. 30. Which AWS service provides a low latency content delivery network? A. Amazon CloudFront. B. Amazon RDS. C. AWS Lambda. D. Amazon S3. Do you know the answer? Correct answer: A. Amazon CloudFront. Explanation: Option A is correct because Amazon CloudFront is a global content delivery network, or CDN, that is designed to deliver content to end users with low latency and high data transfer speeds by caching content at edge locations close to users. Option B is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a relational database service. Option C is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service. Option D is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service. CloudFront is often used in front of S3 to accelerate content delivery. 31. What is the purpose of Amazon EKS? A. Managed Kubernetes service for containerized applications. B. File storage solution for EC2 instances. C. Message queuing for microservices. D. Content delivery network. Do you know the answer? Correct answer: A. Managed Kubernetes service for containerized applications. Explanation: Option A is correct because Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, or EKS, is a managed service that makes it easy for you to run Kubernetes on AWS without needing to install, operate, and maintain your own Kubernetes control plane or nodes. Option B is incorrect because a scalable file storage solution is provided by Amazon EFS. Option C is incorrect because message queuing is provided by Amazon SQS. Option D is incorrect because a content delivery network is provided by Amazon CloudFront. 32. What does Amazon Redshift provide? A. Fully managed data warehouse service. B. Content delivery network. C. Real-time log monitoring. D. In-memory caching for web applications. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Fully managed data warehouse service. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon Redshift is a fast, scalable, fully managed data warehouse that makes it simple and cost-effective to analyze all your data using standard SQL and your existing business intelligence tools. Option B is incorrect because a content delivery network is provided by Amazon CloudFront. Option C is incorrect because real-time log monitoring is a feature of Amazon CloudWatch logs. Option D is incorrect because in-memory caching is provided by Amazon Elasticache. 33. Which AWS service allows you to create, run and manage Docker containers at scale? A. Amazon ECS. B. Amazon RDS. C. AWS Lambda. D. Amazon S3. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer, A. Amazon ECS. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon Elastic Container Service, or ECS, is a fully managed container orchestration service that helps you efficiently deploy, manage and scale Docker containerized applications. Option B is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a managed service for relational databases, not containers. Option C is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service for running functions, not for managing persistent containers. Option D is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service. 34. Which service is used to automate serverless workflows in AWS? A. AWS Step Functions. B. Amazon S3. C. AWS Lambda. D. Amazon EC2. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer, A. AWS Step Functions. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS Step Functions is a serverless function orchestrator that makes it easy to sequence AWS Lambda functions and multiple AWS services into business-critical applications. Through its visual interface, you can create and run a series of checkpointed and event-driven workflows. Option B is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service. Option C is incorrect because AWS Lambda provides the individual serverless functions, but Step Functions is used to coordinate them into a larger workflow. Option D is incorrect because Amazon EC2 is a service that provides virtual servers, which is the opposite of a serverless approach. 35. Which AWS service provides DDoS protection for web applications? A. AWS Shield. B. AWS Lambda. C. Amazon RDS. D. CloudTrail. Do you know the answer? Correct answer, AA, AWS Shield. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS Shield is a managed distributed denial of service, or DDoS protection service that safeguards applications running on AWS. AWS Shield provides always-on detection and automatic inline mitigations. Option B is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service. Option C is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service. Option D is incorrect because AWS CloudTrail is an auditing and logging service. 36. What is the function of Amazon FSx for Windows File Server? A. Provides fully managed native Microsoft Windows file systems. B. Content delivery network. C. Data analytics for large data sets. D. DNS management. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Provides fully managed native Microsoft Windows file systems. Explanation. Option A is correct, because Amazon FSx for Windows File Server provides a fully managed, highly reliable, and scalable file storage that is accessible over the Industry Standard Server Message Block, or SMB protocol. It is built on Windows Server, delivering a wide range of administrative features. Option B is incorrect because a content delivery network is provided by Amazon CloudFront. Option C is incorrect because data analytics services include Amazon Redshift and EMR. Option D is incorrect because DNS management is handled by Amazon Route 53. 37. What is the function of AWS Snowball? A. Transfers large amounts of data to and from AWS via physical devices. B. Real-time log analysis. C. Serverless function deployment. D. Data warehousing. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer. A. Transfers large amounts of data to and from AWS via physical devices. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS Snowball is a petabyte-scale data transport service that uses secure physical appliances to transfer large amounts of data into and out of the AWS cloud. It is ideal when transferring data over the internet is not feasible due to time or cost. Option B is incorrect because real-time log analysis is a function of Amazon CloudWatch logs. Option C is incorrect because serverless function deployment is related to AWS Lambda. Option D is incorrect because data warehousing is the function of Amazon Redshift. 38. Which service helps you detect potential security issues in your AWS environment? A. Amazon Guard Duty. B. Amazon S3. C. Amazon RDS. D. AWS Lambda. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. Amazon Guard Duty. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon Guard Duty is an intelligent threat detection service. It uses machine learning, anomaly detection, and integrated threat intelligence to continuously monitor and identify potential security threats within your AWS environment. Option B is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service. Option C is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service. Option D is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service. 39. What is the function of AWS OpsWorks? A. Configuration management and deployment automation. B. Data replication across regions. C. Real-time data streaming. D. File storage for EC2 instances. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer. A. Configuration management and deployment automation. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS OpsWorks is a configuration management service that provides managed instances of Chef and Puppet. These platforms use code to automate the configuration of servers, helping with deployment and management tasks. Option B is incorrect because data replication is a feature of services like Amazon, S3 and RDS, not a standalone service. Option C is incorrect because real-time data streaming is the function of Amazon Kinesis. Option D is incorrect because scalable file storage for EC2 instances is provided by Amazon EFS. 40. Which AWS service is used to encrypt and decrypt data? A. AWS Key Management Service. B. Amazon RDS. C. Amazon CloudFront. D. Amazon EC2. Do you know the answer? Correct answer. A. AWS Key Management Service. Explanation: option A is correct because AWS Key Management Service, or KMS, provides the tools to create and control the cryptographic keys used to encrypt your data. It is integrated with many other AWS services to make data encryption simple. Option B is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a database service that can use KMS for encryption, but is not the encryption service itself. Option C is incorrect because Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network. Option D is incorrect because Amazon EC2 provides virtual servers. 41. What is the purpose of Amazon Elasticache? A. In-memory data caching for faster database performance. B. Long-term data archiving. C. Serverless compute functions. D. DNS management. Do you know the answer? Correct answer: A. In-memory data caching for faster database performance. Explanation: option A is correct because Amazon Elasticache is a web service that makes it easy to deploy, operate, and scale an in-memory data store or cache in the cloud. It improves the performance of web applications by allowing you to retrieve information from fast, managed, in-memory caches instead of relying entirely on slower disk-based databases. Option B is incorrect because long-term data archiving is the function of Amazon S3 Glacier. Option C is incorrect because serverless compute functions are run by AWS Lambda. Option D is incorrect because DNS management is handled by Amazon Route 53. 42. Which AWS service provides scalable domain name system management? A. Amazon Route 53. B. Amazon S3. C. AWS Lambda. D. AWS CloudTrail. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer: A. Amazon Route 53. Explanation: option A is correct because Amazon Route 53 is a highly available and scalable cloud domain name system, or DNS service. It provides domain name registration, DNS routing, and health checking of resources. Option B is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service. Option C is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service. Option D is incorrect because AWS CloudTrail is a service for logging and auditing account activity. 43. What does AWS autoscaling help with? A. Automatically adjusts resource capacity based on demand. B. Provides DNS management. C. Delivers content globally. D. In-memory data caching. Do you know the answer? Correct answer: A. Automatically adjusts resource capacity based on demand. Explanation: option A is correct because AWS autoscaling helps you maintain application availability and allows you to automatically add or remove compute resources according to conditions you define. This helps ensure optimal performance and minimize costs. Option B is incorrect because DNS management is the function of Amazon Route 53. Option C is incorrect because delivering content globally is the function of Amazon CloudFront. Option D is incorrect because in-memory data caching is provided by Amazon Elasticache. 44. Which service provides relational database management in AWS? A. Amazon RDS. B. Amazon S3. C. Amazon CloudWatch. D. AWS Lambda. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer: A. Amazon RDS. Explanation: option A is correct because Amazon Relational Database Service, or RDS, is a managed web service that simplifies the setup, operation, and scaling of a relational database for use in applications. It supports several popular database engines. Option B is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service, not a relational database. Option C is incorrect because Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service. Option D is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service. 45. What is Amazon CloudWatch used for? A. Monitoring and logging AWS resources. B. Data replication across regions. C. In-memory caching for applications. D. DNS management. Do you know the answer? Correct answer: A. Monitoring and logging AWS resources. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service that provides data and actionable insights to monitor your applications, respond to system-wide performance changes, optimize resource utilization, and get a unified view of operational health. Option B is incorrect because data replication is a feature within services like Amazon S3 or RDS. Option C is incorrect because in-memory caching is the function of Amazon Elasticache. Option D is incorrect because DNS management is provided by Amazon Route 53. 46. Which AWS service helps in automating the CI/CD pipeline? A. AWS Code Pipeline. B. Amazon EC2. C. AWS Lambda. D. Amazon S3. Do you know the answer? Correct answer: A. AWS Code Pipeline. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS Code Pipeline is a fully managed continuous delivery service that helps you automate your release pipelines for fast and reliable application and infrastructure updates. It automates the build, test, and deploy phases of your release process. Option B is incorrect because Amazon EC2 provides the compute resources that a pipeline might deploy to, but it does not automate the pipeline itself. Option C is incorrect because AWS Lambda functions can be a part of a pipeline, but it is not the orchestration service. Option D is incorrect because Amazon S3 is often used to store build artifacts, but does not manage the CI/CD workflow. 47. Which AWS service helps secure web applications by filtering and monitoring web traffic? A. AWS WAF. B. Amazon RDS. C. Amazon DynamoDB. D. AWS CloudTrail. Do you know the answer? Correct answer: A. AWS WAF. Explanation. Option A is correct because AWS Web Application Firewall, or WAF, is a service that helps protect web applications from common exploits like SQL injection and cross-site scripting by allowing you to create custom rules that block malicious traffic patterns. Option B is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a relational database service. Option C is incorrect because Amazon DynamoDB is a NoSQL database service. Option D is incorrect because AWS CloudTrail is a service for logging and auditing API activity, not for filtering live web traffic. 48. Which AWS service provides a scalable NoSQL database? A. Amazon DynamoDB. B. Amazon RDS. C. Amazon S3. D. AWS Lambda. Do you know the answer? Correct answer: A. Amazon DynamoDB. Explanation. Option A is correct because Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service known for its fast performance and seamless scalability. It automatically handles the scaling of throughput and storage as needed. Option B is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a service for relational databases, not NoSQL databases. Option C is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service. Option D is incorrect because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service. 49. Which AWS service allows you to run code in response to events without provisioning servers? A. AWS Lambda. B. Amazon RDS. C. Amazon S3. D. AWS Cloud Trail. Can you guess the answer? Correct answer A. AWS Lambda. Explanation: Option A is correct because AWS Lambda is an event-driven, serverless computing platform. It runs your code in response to triggers such as changes in data in an S3 bucket or an Amazon DynamoDB table without requiring you to provision or manage any servers. Option B is incorrect because Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service. Option C is incorrect because Amazon S3 is an object storage service, though changes to S3 objects can be an event that triggers a Lambda function. Option D is incorrect because AWS Cloud Trail is a service for logging account activity. 50. What is the purpose of AWS Trusted Advisor? A. Provides best practice recommendations for cost optimization, performance, security, and fault tolerance. B. Monitors EC2 instances for health checks. C. Automates application deployment. D. Manages data replication between AWS regions. What do you think is the answer? Correct answer A. Provides best practice recommendations for cost optimization, performance, security, and fault tolerance. Explanation: Option A is correct because AWS Trusted Advisor is an online tool that provides you with real-time guidance to help you provision your resources following AWS best practices across 5 categories: cost optimization, performance, security, fault tolerance, and service limits. Option B is incorrect because monitoring the health of EC2 instances is typically done using Amazon CloudWatch alarms and elastic load balancing health checks. Option C is incorrect because automating application deployment is handled by services like AUSS, Elastic Beanstalk, or AUS Code Deploy. Option D is incorrect because managing data replication is a feature within services like Amazon S3 and Amazon RDS. You have reached the end of our first question set. For the free complete exam preparation, visit our website link in the description, where you find thousands more practice questions and comprehensive study guides. Thanks for studying with us today. See you in the next video.